Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to another session from Malapur TC for the C programming MCQ questions. Till now we haven't seen so many things, right? So many all this stuff we have been discussed, right? From the past one to lectures we have been seen all these things, right? So in today's session I'm going to discuss a little bit tricky question. Okay, so this is the question where we will be having such thing as include stdio attach as usual header files and main files has been included. And here as pointer. Everyone are knows, right? Pointer. A pointer is a variable which is nothing but which can hold the address of another variable, right? So let's say I'll be going in another mode. So I'll dictate here itself. Okay. Let's have a discussion, right? Okay, I'll take the pen. So here we have taken pointer. So p equals to, so whenever you are declaring p, suppose I'm defining a variable int a. So what it will store? It will store the address of this variable, right? So p is hold an address of another variable. Pointer is a variable which can hold the address of another. So whenever you are having s is a pointer variable which is having fine. So this will be stored in this one. So what is there in is this star s, right? Pointer variable. So we are assigning a pointer to another thing, character n. So if you print f percentage s equals to s, whether the star s is equals to n, is it valid statement? No, right? So it means assignment is invalid. So in such a case, you will get an error such that character is mismatching. So I hope this is very clear. If you have, I will go to this one like a visualization tool. So you can better understand over here itself. I'll go with the visualization tool. Okay. I'll go with visualization tools where you will be having all this stuff how you can visualize each and everything, right? Okay. Control C. I'll go with the visualization tool. There I'll go and I'll copy and paste this one. So let's visualize the executions. Then if I go this one, missing terminating character, it means you will get an error saying that missing terminating character. It means you will be having an error such that, so you can have here itself you will be getting an error. Okay, if I uncomment this line, what will be the output, right? You can also try with different things. Okay, I commented this one. Let's go for the visualization. Okay, it will take time. So you can see here. So a class S is created. In the class, you will be having star pointer is holding the first address. So FINE followed by the null character. So it is a string, right? Sequence of character terminated with null. Okay. Then whenever I want to print my string, I'm going to print yes. Okay. When I want to print the S, because it is holding the address of this one, so you will be printing with the end up with this. What if I want to change? Okay, what if I do? Okay, I'll go and I'm going to edit this code. If I mentioned star yes, what I will get, right? You will be having so many doubts. You can clear itself because I'll be showing each and everything. What happens when we write this code? What will happen when we write another code, right? So you can notice here it is pointing. So when we execute this one, invalid read of size 1 stopped running after this first error. You fixed that error because we are trying to print whatever stored there, but if you access that one, it is accessing the variable that is pointing. So in such a case you will be getting an error if you want to edit. Okay, so you will get an error. You not print. Okay, it will just print. Okay, I hope this program is very clear for you. And if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And in the future lectures, I'm going to discuss so much, lot of stuff you will be having, right? So we can discuss lot more in the upcoming lectures. If you are like what I'm doing, please share with every friends who are needing, who are in the use of this one. It means everyone are currently preparing for themselves, right? It is the end of third year students or also fourth year. Those who are going for the placement training activities, it will be helpful for them. I hope you will like what I am doing, so you will share for everyone. And if you like what I am doing, please subscribe and hit that big fat bell icon. That makes me motivate to do more videos like this way. Thank you for watching.